Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and I have some exciting news. I have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Today is the 26th. The public release is actually January 31st. So we got this 5 days before it launches. So check this out, guys. And I also got other things here. You got the S-View wallet case. You got the anti-reflecting screen protector. You got the Galaxy Smart Tag 2 and the Galaxy Buds FE. These are my iPhone stuff. Don't worry about that. And we also have the S23 Ultra, so the phone that came out last year. We have it here, and we're gonna see some differences. I'm gonna do an unboxing with this, so here we go. We could only do this once, guys, so check it out. There's the tag here. Oh, here we go. Because once you open it, that's it. So we're gonna unbox it first. Super excited about this. By the way, we are recording with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Check this out, guys. Wow. Interesting. The unboxing is different. Ooh. Look at this. Finally, they went titanium. This is supposed to be the black version of the phone. And check this out. So they have flat edges versus here. Let's take a comparison here. We'll put this down. It's gonna be a little bit. This seems a little thinner, and I think it's just because of the curved edges. But it's hard. It's hard to tell. And let's see. Let's power it on first. Is not completely dead. Oh, here you go, guys. It's turning on. Let's see what else comes in the box. I think nothing else. Very slim box. Oh, we got a SIM tool ejector, and we have a USB-C to USB-C. Finished setting up the phone, and I want to show you a couple things. First of all, the brightness goes to 2600 nits, so a lot brighter than before. So that's also amazing. But I want to show you two key features that I'm blown away by. Okay, so let's start with the camera first, right? So if we open up the camera app, one of the things you'll find, here's the old camera. Let me just put. You can see there's one more setting, right? So you got 0.6, 1x, 3x, 5x, and 10x. This doesn't have 5x. And why is that important? Because what happens is when you're zooming in between 3x and 5x, you're gonna lose some quality. So you wanna be able to do either 5x or 10x. So that's really amazing that they added that as an option. But what's really blowing me away is this. Check out this photo, guys. I edited this photo with just a click of a button, right? I'm gonna show you. There was something here and I removed it, and you can't even tell there was anything there. But let me show you guys. Let me revert it back to the original. There was an iPhone here, and I just removed it because this is a Samsung unpack, so we removed that. So I just want to show you how easy that is. You could mess around with these erase shadow, erase reflection, remaster, or object eraser. But you could also grab something and move it somewhere else. I'm still trying to figure this out, but I've seen it in the ad. But just want to show you really quick, amazing AI features right in the phone. And the other crazy things, guys, this, I'm gonna do a live call right now so you guys could see. And I'm gonna do it. Let's just say obviously I don't speak Spanish, so let's use Spanish as one language. I'm gonna make a call and I'm gonna talk to somebody, talk to myself, but I'm gonna talk to someone that doesn't understand, or I don't understand. So let's see how it works. I'm testing out for the first time. So there's a call assist here. I'm put live translate. Okay, so I'm getting a call, but I'm actually getting it on my phone. So I'm gonna pick it up because I'm recording from the iPhone. So let me just pick it up here. Okay, and then I'm gonna put it on mute. Okay, so there's a little feedback. Let me put this down so we could see it from one phone here. Okay, I don't speak Spanish. As you see, it says no habla español. So it's translating everything I'm saying. So can you translate? I just got the new Samsung S24 Ultra.
Él traduce. Acabo de obtener el nuevo Samsung S24 Ultra.
All right. So there's a lot of echo, so I tried to mute from both sides. I just want to show you. This is amazing. This is groundbreaking. You don't even need a translator. You could actually have the phone translate in different languages for you. So those are two features that I wanted to share with you guys. There's one more amazing things I want to talk to you guys about. We are actually recording in the Apple Vision Pro format. Okay, so this video is giving you a little sneak peek. On February 2nd, we're going to do an unboxing for the Apple Vision Pro. And this video, whoever has that headset will be able to watch this video in that format. And if you don't have it, it's fine. You could still use it as a regular format as well. So let me know what else you want to watch and put your comments down below. And thank you again for all your support, guys. And thank you for watching.